Alright guys, so this is a finished look of this unit. So I literally have installed this unit about 3 times already. This unit was sent to me from RPGSHOW guys. So this is already custom colors, you guys can see. The base of this unit is like a chocolate brown color, and they did go ahead and do some really nice pretty blonde highlights in this unit. Now you can wear this one in a side part or a middle part. I just kept with the side part because side part just looks so fabulous. Now when you do receive this unit guys, it's not going to have layers, so I did go ahead and cut some nice layers into the unit because I wanted to kind of have like a nice kind of like, you know, thick bang kind of look. So this one I did go ahead and cut layers all the way through right here, as you guys can see, and a little bit of layers in this area right here. All in all guys, this unit for me is really nice. I know the price point for a lot of you guys is always a concern because you guys feel like the price range is a little bit up there, but for the coloring on this unit guys, they did an excellent job. I did not have to bleach this unit, I did not have to tweeze this unit or do anything like that. So the install for me, the 3 times that I did install this unit was very seamless. The last time that I installed this unit, I did use the Eben New York Wonder Lace Wand. I've just been raving about this product guys. Literally, this is the best to me so far. Adhesive spray, it doesn't leave residue and it dries very fast guys. Like the hairline on this unit is absolutely gorgeous. I did go ahead and do like a little baby hair, nothing crazy, because sometimes I get tested out and sometimes I don't, but this time around I decided to go ahead and do a little bit baby hair. On this side I did do some hair, but I pretty much left the perimeter hair just plain. And when I tell you guys this product holds a wig down, it really can hold your wig down guys. All in all, I think this is a really nice unit guys. I'll leave all the specs down below as far as the length. I believe the length is about 20 inches on this one, and the density is about 180 to 200. The density is a real density. The unit is very thick. So for the price point, stuff like that, for the coloring, for the lace already being bleached and tweezed and all that kind of stuff, I think the unit is a pretty solid unit guys. So keep that in mind. It's definitely a nice spring color, even though I did go ahead and put a dark lip on, but I still think the dark lip with the highlights and this chocolate brown base just looks effortless AF guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you RPGSHOW for sending me this unit. I will leave all the information down below per usual, but do not forget guys to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.